Prime Minister Narendra Modi successfully completed a flight on the Indian Air Force's versatile fighter jet Tejas in Bengaluru. Reflecting on the experience, PM Modi expressed how it significantly boosted his confidence in India's indigenous capabilities, leaving him with a renewed sense of pride and optimism for the nation's potential. This historic flight made Modi the first Prime Minister to fly on Tejas alongside an Indian Air Force pilot, with the sortie lasting a few minutes after taking off from HAL Airport in Bengaluru. As part of his visit, PM Modi is set to review and visit HAL's manufacturing facility, including the unit responsible for Tejas jets. During his trip to the US, there was significant interest from various countries to procure Tejas, culminating in an agreement between America's defense giant GE Aerospace and HAL to jointly manufacture engines for Mk-II-Tejas.